Okay. Right. Just a minute, please. All right. So we had some of them. Okay. So you if anyone if any of the positions have not triggered, you may just want to close them. You understand? You may just want to close them. Okay, so let's just look at taking another. Okay. All right. Okay. Let's get down to business. Now, USD card took profit on in the buy position. All right. And then let's just go through some of them. Oil. Oh, oil triggered sell, then came down, took profit on the buy, triggered sell. Trigger sell. Okay, well, it has hit the moving support and it's coming down as well. So if you have enough money, please hold it, and hold it or allow it to reduce to a very uh, variable negative before you close the trade. Okay, then gold. Okay, gold did well. Gold did well. First to profit in the what's it called, sell, I think. Yeah, the sell, and then went to the buy, triggered the buy, went up a bit in profit before going back down, and it's still going to go back up. Okay. Which one do we have again? GBP USD. This one did not trigger at all, did it? USD JPY trigger the buy, right? Trigger the buy. And I remember saying something to us that we may set a sell limit here. We may set a sell limit here. And then for Euro USD, didn't trigger at all. US index. US index, I think US index, this one has triggered. Okay, if I remember very well, I first gave us limit orders. All right, I gave us limit orders, and I think that one went in order. I said you should look out for a a buy limit and sell limit, and this has played out as expected. It has played out as expected. Yeah, and I remember giving those who wanted breakout these stop orders, buy stop and sell stop, but the limit orders has gone as expected. Okay, so quickly let's go. It's 9 minutes past, and then let's get set again to engage. But I suspect that at least today, the 3:30 should move better than what we saw yesterday. Market did not move yesterday, so usually I love to start with indices market in the afternoon session. So let's look at us. Let's look at us doing this. Let's look at us going looking out for a let me go for 5 minutes time frame on indices. So let's get there as we start looking at the session. All right. So on US 100 this afternoon. We're starting with US 100 this afternoon. So let's look at us going for a buy trade, going for a buy trade. One needs to be careful here. Let's look at us going for a buy trade. If price break above, if there is need for us to change it, let me see how many pips here. Don't want any surprise at all. Okay. Okay. Let's look out for a buy on US 100. If price trades above 18116.58, 18116.58, let's go in for a buy at 18116.58. 18116.58. 18116.58. So quickly, let me drop it. A buy at 18116.58 is in order. So let's take a buy there and make money from it. 116.58. See, I'm calling it, I want to call it over and over so that we can have it. I know some might still be joining in later, but let me still call it for those who are here. 18116.58 is our entry. And let's look at us taking profit at 18140. 18140.98. 18140.98 is our buy entry. Then for our sell entry, I want to make sure that the thing is a bit distant. Okay. For our sell entry, let's go in at 180, 54.85. 180, 54.85. For the sell entry, we're going at 180, 54.85. And then let's look at taking our profit at 180, 31.19. 180, 31.19. 180, 31.19 is the TP for the sell trade. So the buy trade at 180, 181, 16.58. YTP is 18140.98. Then for the sell trade, 18054.85 and our TP at 18031.19. Okay, quickly we go to US 30, and we take advantage of these index as well. Like I said, I suspect with the move will be bigger this afternoon than what we saw yesterday. Okay, and what we saw yesterday. So let's look at us going in for a buy. Let me just move this one up like this. Okay, so let's look at doing a buy on US 30. Should price break above? Come in. Okay, let's go for a buy. Should price trade above 39043? 39043. Let's do a buy at 39043, and let's look at us taking our profit at 39086. 39086. Okay, a 39043 as our entry, and our TP at 39083. Okay, for a sell trade, I'd like us to go if price trade below. Okay. Let's go below 38972. 38972 as our entry for the sell, and let's take our profit at price level 38934. 38934. Let me call it again. Now, I said we should go in for a sell trade at 38972. 38972. And let's take our profit at 38934. That is US 30. Okay, on US 500 this afternoon. On US 500 this afternoon, okay. So let's look at doing a buy on US 500 this afternoon. Let's look at doing a buy at 517.1. 5107.1. 5107.1. Let's take a buy at 5107.1, and we take our profit at 5111. That is 5111.4. 5107.1 as our entry for the buy, and then we take our profit. Okay, I'm on 30 minutes time frame. Let me change it. It may not trigger soon. Let me change it. So that it can trigger so quickly. Okay. Well, this setup is not bad. It's not bad. The entry for it is not bad. So let's do a buy at 5107.1 and our TP at 5111.47. Okay. Then for a sell trade, we go below the verified support here at 5096, 5096.8. 5096.8 is a good place to go in for a sell. And then let's take our profit around, okay, 5091.7. 5091.7. 5091.7 is our entry for the for the as a TP for the sell stop on US 500. And then on US 2000 this afternoon, so family, I like what I'm going to go on 5 minutes time frame as well. Let's look at doing a buy on US 2000. The moment price breaks above 2063, 2063.2, let's take a buy. Let me just move it up a bit. Okay, we'll go for a buy at 2064.3. 2064.3 will be our entry for the buy trade. And then let's look at us taking profits around 2070. 2070. Okay, let's take a profit at 2069.6. 2069.6. 2069.6 as our TP. 2064.3 is the entry, and our TP is at 2069.6. Okay, then for the sell trade, let's just go. Let's conveniently go below this. So let's go for a sell trade. The moment price breaks below 2049.0, 2049.0 is our entry for the sell trade, 2049.0, and we take our profit at 2045.0, 2045.0. Again, our entry is at 2049.0 and our TP at 2045.0. Okay, wow. We have enough space here. Family, just hold on. Let me see something here. We can take advantage of. You just no, it's too small. Okay. So I'm going to give us another one now, because this will trigger quickly and give profits uh faster than the initial one I gave us. Okay. So let's look at this. Let's look at doing this. Okay. So let's look at going in for a sell on US 2000. It's going to be a very short one. Okay, let's do a sell on US 2000 at 2052.8, 2052.8, 2052.8, and we take our profit at 2049.9, 2049.9, 2049.9, 2052.8, 2052.8, and TP at 2049.9. Okay, let's do D40 this afternoon. No, and this guy has been on uptrend, since. All right. So let's do the okay. 1 minute, please. Just give me 1 minute, please. Sorry, please. 1 minute, please. Sorry, please. Sorry. All right. So very sorry about that. I was giving you something on D30 before everything. All right. So I said on D30 this afternoon, on D30 this afternoon, let's look at us going in for a sell at 17755, 17755, 17755. Let's do 17755.8 will be our entry. 17755.8 will be our entry. 17755 will be our 17755.8 will be our entry, and then we take our profit. Let's quickly take our profit at 17737.7. 177, 17737.7. Okay. Then for the buy entry on D40, D30, D40, we go in for a buy at 17794, 17794.7, 17794.7, and then we look at taking our profit. We look at taking our profit at price level. Let's select at price level 17814.8. 17814.8. That is for that. Okay, quickly, let's go to gold. Let's go to gold. All right. Now, if you see what is happening here on gold, gold has got to the overbought region. It has got to the overbought region. So we may expect it at least, although just a little stuff, we may expect it to start coming down from this point. We may expect it to start coming down from this point, but let's still see the possibility of it getting to this proving resistance before one takes a sell. But for pending order, we may just take advantage of pending order. We go on 15 minutes time frame, or even on 15 minutes time frame. It is showing overbought already on 15 minutes time frame. But should one wants to take a buy entry, I advise that we going for a buy on gold at 2065, 2065.16. 2065.16 will be a better entry. And then let's look at us taking our profits anywhere around 2073.14, 2073.14, 2073.14. Okay. Then for a sell trade, on gold this afternoon, we might just prepare ourselves to take, let me just delete all these guys. Okay, they want to, all right. Let's go in for sell, for sell on gold this afternoon. Once price break below 2048, 2048.48, 2048.48 will be a good entry for our sell on gold. 2048.48, and let's look at us taking our profit around price level 2041 point, no, yeah, 2041.31, 2041.31, 2041.31. Okay, 2041.31 will be a better space to go for gold. All right. Then on currency markets, hope none of the positions are as triggered. Okay, great. Okay, great. Please do come attention in case any has triggered. And US 2000 is looking at getting triggered any moment from now. All right. So let's just prepare. Then look at US index. Since it's almost what's it called? 3:30. Let me just stay. Let me just quickly go on 15 minutes if I can still give you entry positions here, and then that would be good. On US index this afternoon, only go for buy, at price entry 104.170 as a pending order. Please, 1 minute. I just need to attend to this, please. Okay, okay, just something that needed attention here. All right, so this is what will happen. I'm just going to stay on 1 hour now. Now that is all just 1 hour, 1 minute to 3:30. And remember, I said I was going to stay till 4 o'clock. Let's see how we can take advantage of the 4 p.m. News. Okay, so what we'll do is we just stay here. It's 3:30 already. It's 3:30 already. So let's look at it on 1 hour and see the instant execution for one to take. Now, market is beginning to react. So just allow price. Depending on that I gave you here, is still very much in order. So just allow price to break about 104.173. You can take your TP up to 104.280. Take the TP up to 104.273 rather. 104.273. So your entry at 104.173 is all right. Okay. Take your profit at 104.273 on US on US index. Okay. Now should price start selling, we'll go for instant sell. But let's look at this now. Now for Euro USD, price is trying to head downward. Price is trying to head downward. So this was the setup I gave us in the morning. And it is there to trigger. So let's see, allow it to run. Let's allow it to run. Perhaps the news at 4 o'clock will catch up with it. The setup is still very much okay. It's still very much in order. Let's allow it to run. On USD JPY, this is almost okay. This is almost at the direction I gave us in the morning. Now, what we will do is that once price is still going to push up, price will push up to this 150.808. Price will push up to 150.088. Once price get to this price level, please take an instant sell. Take an instant sell right here at 150.808. Take an instant sell at 150.808, or you set a sell limit for it right there. But price is going to buy, USD JPY will buy up to this to this proven resistance here. Okay, that is for, and then it will buy up to it's an instant buy up there. But I would advise allow price to just get to this place for one to take more profits, since price is going to start coming down once it eases proving resistance on 1 hour time frame. For GBP USD this afternoon, now price is heading towards this verified support. Let's allow price hit this support before we go for further buy. Let's allow price hit this support before we go for a buy. So in few minutes time, price will hit the support, and then we go for that buy. Okay, go for that buy on GBP USD. I'm still with us here, so we will see it together as price will hit here on USD card. So the same thing is happening here. There is a proven resistance here. Let us allow price get to this proven resistance, and then we take advantage of the sell. All right, of the sell. I believe you got that. All right, are we together? So let's allow price get there, and we'll take a sell. Price will sell. Okay. So for the USD card, the proven resistance region here will be anywhere from price region of 1.36004. You can set the trap already here for it. You can set the trap there for it already at 1.36004. Set the trap for it, and let's are prepared to take a sell limit from that place. Let's take sell limit from that place. Price will sell downward again. Price will sell downward again. That is for USD card. On NZD USD this afternoon, NZD has been really plummeting against the dollar. Okay, so what we'll do, if you look at the setup so far today, you can see that it has been respecting this structure, trading between these verified support, even and the weak resistance. Now, this is sell trade. price is going to sell to this weak support. Let me map out the weak support here. Let me map it out. Let me map it out. Okay. Now, this current price, it will sell to this weak support here, and then before you know, you start buying again. Let's allow price sell down to 0.60799, 0.60799, and let's look at us taking a buy limit from that place. Okay, let's look at taking a buy limit from that place. Meanwhile, let's look at all the instruments we've checked so far. Okay, gold. Let me go on 1 hour time frame now. None of the pending orders I gave us as triggered. So let's look at it now. This is a signal for a sell trade on gold. This is a signal for a sell trade on gold. This is a signal for a sell trade on gold. Okay. Now, so let's look at us. Let's allow it to conveniently break this support, and then I'll ask us to go in for further sell on gold. But don't join the instant sell now. Don't join the instant sell now. Okay. So somebody's asking me a question on oil for the morning. Okay, now if you look at it now, oil has got to this proving resistance and it's going to be doing some sell as well. To do some sell. So what I said to us earlier, I said if you cannot hold it, if you do not have the mind to hold it by having good capital to hold your trade, just allow it come down the more. Come down the more. Now it moved from here. It moved from here. Okay. All to this point, so you can just allow it to do a kind of half of it, or at the level that you feel you can bear the negative. Okay, so let's allow it to come down as well before you close it. I believe you got that. Okay, so this for gold. Let's allow gold to break this stone-cold resistance. So if it breaks the stone-cold resistance support, I meant to say rather, if it breaks it conveniently, if it breaks it around 2046.07, please let's join the sell. It will sell further down to that stone-cold resistance. Once it breaks down to 246.07, let's go in for a sell. It is still doing, there's a lot of indecision at the moment on gold this afternoon, so don't let us fall for it. All right, so US 100 has taken profit in the buy position. US 100 has taken profit in the buy position. How many of us took that US 100? That's taking profit this afternoon. That's taking profit this afternoon, and that is a good one. US 30 triggered the buy, and then it went down. So let's see if it has triggered for you. Just hold your trade. While US 500 triggered the buy as well, almost as TP. I didn't remember to preach my gospel. Earlier that you don't always need to wait for TP before you take your profit. But I believe some of us know, we already have the gospel written in our heart already, that don't wait for TP, but price is going to go back again, push up towards the buy direction. All right, 2 years, US 2000. No, someone said it has taken profit. It has not taken profit too. It has not taken profit. It triggered the buy, went up a bit, and then you did year 2000. Is it in the morning or now? Okay, because the year 2000 I just gave, the one I gave you now, maybe you did. Okay, you took your profit before you took profit. That's good. That's good. That's a good one. Yes. You heeded the gospel. That's good. Then the 30D40. It has not triggered any. So let's wait for it. It's going to move. And I believe the news at 4 o'clock will also lend some hands in bringing back some volatility to the market this afternoon. Then for US index, so you can see that typically market is not moving as expected. It's moving as expected, but let's allow it to conveniently break above this resistance at 104.173 before we take the buy. Okay, let's allow it. US 100 has taken profit. Except I will want to give you another entries in preparation for the nails, but I will do that in like 15 when it is 15 minutes to. When it's 15 minutes to the time, I will do that. Okay, when it's just remind me. I think we have 6 more minutes to that. So I think I will do that when it is 15 minutes to US 2000 is selling. Kai selling. It triggered the buy, but it's selling. But if you are on it, I've always preached to us. I said if you are taking US 2000, it is very much profitable, but don't do it if you do not have sufficient capital to hold your trade, because you could just leave there, leave the market disappointed. Okay, it has just triggered this sell. Okay, okay, it just triggered the sell, and it's looking at going further to take profit in the sell direction. So on Euro USD, I gave us a setup there, a setup which I gave in the morning actually, and it has not triggered. I said going for a buy at 1.08324, and let's take our profit at 1.08513. Okay, okay, that is for that. That is for that. Um, for for US for USD sell, I said let's do 1.07892, and let's just allow the market to move at that 4 o'clock. Let's see how much volatility can be driven into the market. Then USD JPY, I said let's allow price. The current price is expected to trade. I know in the morning, if you join the session, I said this trend line, which is the Fibo contour, is serving as a resistance to price. And I remember that I gave us TP around this region. I can't remember the specific region actually, but I remember I said to us that once price breaks above this, because all this region are actually resistance region. Okay, I said let price break above this contour. Once it gets to this point, 150.808, let's look at us selling USD JPY. Let's look at us selling USD JPY. Let's look at us selling USD JPY at that point. Okay. While GBP USD, I said to us, like I said, I expect the price to sell down to 1.26123, and let's follow it up with a buy. Let's follow it up with a buy. That is, if you have set a buy limit at 1.26123, it's about time that this instrument, particular instrument triggers, and let us follow it with a buy, A buy trade will be in order on USD, on GBP USD, I meant to say. Okay. And then on USD CAD, I said to us that let's look out for a sell limit around this region, a sell limit at 1.36004. Let's look out for a sell limit around this region. It's going to be a good one, and it will sell very well. And of course, this is a currency. Let's use good volume. Let's use good volume, and we make good money from the market this very afternoon. All right. Then NZD USD. Can you see what I'm talking about? That this sell it will sell down to 0.60799, and let us take advantage of a buy trade from this point. 0.60799. Let's take advantage of the market and let's make money. Yeah. Okay. That is for that. In 2 minutes time, I want to give, maybe I'll just go on indices market and give us some new entries to take advantage of the news coming out at 4 in 15 minutes time. Okay. Meanwhile, any other instrument, just mention just one instrument that you would love me to touch on, and then we'll continue. US 2000. Okay. US 30 has done the two. That's triggered both buy and sell. Okay. But I know for those who are their trade, their sell triggered, will have taken profit before it went up. But the gist to this is that both we go back. Which US that is on sell, or which one? Which US is on sale? Please let me know. Okay, you enter the sell yourself because this one has not triggered here. All right. This one has not triggered here. But let me see if you are on sell on US 2000 US 100. Well, Well, but then I believe most of us took made money from it this morning when I told us that US 100 is only appropriate for US 100 to do some sell. Remember, I said to us, okay, I said to us that our market is expected to do a kind of retracement when it is a new high. Okay, I remember I mentioned it to us, and look at what it did. It sold actually. It sold actually before pushing up further, and I believe you would have made your money from the sales stop that we gave you this morning. Okay, so but then let me go back on 5 minutes. Okay. I'm seeing messages. Okay, okay. Yes, 2002 triggered both buy and sell. When was that? When then? Okay, okay. So what I'll do now is this. I'm going to give us entries again. I'm going to give us entries again. I'm going to give us entries again. Now, as you can see now, gold is beginning to sell. Gold is beginning to sell. Okay, so is a good one. Let's take advantage of the sell on gold. It's beginning to sell. Let's take advantage of it at least before the news comes out. Meanwhile, let's prepare. Let me give you some entries, some new entries on US 100 and some other ones, so that we can take entry and make good money for ourselves. Okay, so on US 100 this afternoon, let's look at us. Let's look at us go in for a buy. Let's go in for a buy on US 100. If price trades above 18175.70, 18175.70. Let me take it slowly. Let me take it slowly so that we can all get it. On US 100, let's go in at 18175.70. That's a buy stop. I believe we got it. 18175.70. And let's look at taking our profits. Yes, if the news moves well, if it moves well, good. But really, like I would always say, you don't need to allow it take a profit before you take a profit. Let's look at taking a profit at 18219.05. 18219.05. And let's take our profit. Let's take our profit there. Okay. Then for a sell trade, this is what we'll do. 1 minute, please. Let me just quickly do this. Okay. All right, please. So for a sell trade, let's look at us going in for a sell. I do not want to cancel the ones I already mapped out. Okay. Let's do a sell at 180.76.30. 180.76.30. But see what it's doing is it's moving so fast to that direction. Okay. So, right. So I'm just trying to check something here. Okay. Okay, good one. So let's look at us going in for a sell at 180.76.30. 180.76.30. 180.76.30. Let's do a sell at 180.76.30. That is a sell stop at 180.76.30. That is good. And then let's look at us taking our profit. Let's take our profit at price level 180.46.27. 180.46.27. Let's take our profit at 18046.27. I believe we got that as well. 18076.47. Okay. Okay, so that's a good one. In about 11 minutes time, the market will move, and then we see what we have there. Okay. For US 30 that has done both. Now the sell trade is going back. The sell trade is going back. You're already in profit if you're on US 30. You're already in profit. Okay. So just take your profit and then we go. Let me give you another entry for a buy trade on it, because price will still go back up. All right. So just go in for a buy stop at 38998. 38998. 38998. 38998. Okay. And let's look at taking our profits. Let's take our profit as 39029. 39029. 39029. 39029. 39029. I believe we got it. We've got it. 39029. That is for US 39029. That's for US 30. And then for US 500, that one almost took profit before it went down. And I believe you probably would not have been caught in the negative. But then this setup is still very valid. For those who wouldn't take it. So somebody is saying gold in profit. Let me see gold in profit. Close it if you are in profit, because in 9 minutes time market. But if you use good volume, you will appreciate it. That's the essence of using good volume. All right, that's the essence of using good volume. If you are in good profit, you may close it. But if you are not satisfied, allow it to run. If you are not satisfied, allow it to run to 2042.37. 2042.37. Yes. So if not for the news coming out at what's it called 4 o'clock, I will say I've told you to hold your sell trade to allow you to run further. But news is coming out, so let's not be caught in the web. Do we get it now? Okay. So the setup on US 500 is still good. So if you didn't take it the other time, the entry we gave for US 500. So 1 minute, please. 1 minute. So okay, for US 500, the entries are still okay. 5107.1 for the buy, and your TP and your TP as 5111.4. Then the sell entry is 1596.8 and the TP at 1591.7. Then for US 2000, took profit on the sell, and it's trying to go back up towards the buy trade. Took profit on the sell. So for the news this afternoon on US 2000, I will just tell you to go in for a buy at 2059.0 for US 2000. 2059.0 is the entry. 2059.0 is the entry, and let's take our profit at 2063.1. 2059.0, and we take our profit as 2063.1 for the buy. Let me say it again, 2059.0, and we take our profit at 2063.1. Okay. Then for the sell trade on US 2000, we may go in for a sell at 2048.5. Let me just do this. I'm going to touch something before. Call me. Okay. Let's go for a sell at 2048.2. 2048.2, and we close our profit at 2045.0. 2048.2 for the sell, and we take our profit at 2045.0. Okay. Now, nobody even told me the Z40 has taken profit in the sell direction. It has taken profit. D40 has taken profit. And then gold So gold, and you can see that the movement is not moving so fast as it should have been. I know traders, the market is still waiting to see the data released. Okay, but like I said, if you are not satisfied with the profit, you can just hold it till around this price level of 2042.13. All right, that is for gold this afternoon. Then for US index, okay, US index has triggered the buy. It is good. How many of us took this US index? It has triggered the buy. You see how 5 more minutes to the time, so you can still move up all the way. You can still move up all the way before the news comes out. So the buy has triggered. Good, and good, and is running well well in that direction. Okay, Euro USD. I said to us, the setup we gave you in the morning, Euro USD has been ranging all day. It has been ranging all day. Okay, look at it. 1.08324 is the entry. Buy entry at 1.08324, 1.08324, and I gave you TP at 1.08513. 1.08324, 1.08324, and I gave you TP at 1.08513. Then for a sell trade, I said go in at 1.07892, 1.07892, and take your profits at 1.07646, 1.07646. Okay, then for USD JPY, USD JPY has not got to that zone that we gave it. It has not got there, so it has not got there. Okay, and can I crave your indulgence, because since there is news coming out, it is not advisable. Since there is news coming out, rather, there is not advisable that one engages limit orders. So those limit orders we placed on USDJPY, can we please, let me just go on 15 minutes time frame. Maybe once the news comes out, we go back to that structure. Let's just use our stop orders. Yes, to allow to in case price, because we expect a breakout, right? So let us not use limit orders here for the news. So let's just do this. Please, I believe we are together. So once the news comes out and the impact wins, we can then go back to the former structure if market does not go in the expected direction. But for then, let's do this on USDJPY. Go for a buy. That is a buy stop now. Go for a buy stop at 150, 150, 150.935, 150.935. Make it your entry, 150.935, and let's look at taking our profit around 151.196, 151.196, or you may take it further. Anyway, the TP just for guide. All right, 150.935, and your TP at 151. I just increased this, 151.260, 150.935 as your entry, and your TP at 151.260. Then for your sell, just do a sell stop. Just do a sell stop at 150.490. 150.490. Do a sell stop at 150.490. And let's look at us taking our profit. Yes, around price level 150.293. 150.293. 150.293. That is for that. And then on GBPUSD. Now, GBPUSD, I didn't remember to tell us this. I gave you a buy limit here, and let me say, I believe the buy limit will have triggered, but you may still want to hold your buy anyway. If I remember, I would have told you to just hold on. Let's allow the news to come out first before we engage the limit orders. Okay. So but then on 15 minutes time frame, let's just quickly do something. It is still anyway. For all, it has got to the oversold region. Perhaps the highest to sell to is this verified support. Let's just do this. We take, okay. By the way, hope US 100 has not triggered. It has not. Okay. So let on 15 years time frame, let's do a buy. Let's do a buy at 1.26235. 1.26235. 1.26235, and let's take our profit around price level 1.26475. A buy entry at 1.26235, and we take our profit at 1.26475. Then for a sell trade, a sell stop I will give you, just allow price to trade below 1.25725. 1.25725. And let's take our profit at 1.25455. 1.25455. Okay, wow. The buy just triggered. The buy just triggered. The buy just triggered. The buy just triggered. Right? The buy just triggered for GBP USD. Okay. Why? The buy just triggered for GBP USD. Okay. Which other one? And it has been rejected. Which other one do we have? USD JPY. Okay. The entry I gave us just took profit. Did it take profit over there? This one took profit. Okay. This one took profit. All right. Then Euro USD. I don't know why it has refused to move well today. US index. Okay. The US index lost the gain it made, but just hold your trade. Just hold your trade on US index. Okay. Let's see US 100. Okay, US 100 triggered the buy. And then went down. We might want to hold your trade anyway. And let's see how it goes, how it continues. US 30. Okay, US 30 triggered and took profit in the sell, right? Yes. The new entry I gave us for the sell, it took profit. The new entry took profit, the sell. All right. Then US 500. The buy, the setup I gave you initially has taken profit. The buy has taken profit. Is a good one. And then US 2000. Okay. The buy I gave you, I think it went in profit. Yes, it went in profit. The buy I gave you went in profit. Then I didn't give you anything for the 30, the 40. Okay, let's see US 100. US 100 is trying to go back. Let's just hold your trade. Okay, and let's see how we can make the money. I can make the money on US 100. So let me go back on 1 hour time frame and see all these instruments and see all these instruments and see how they. Okay, now this is still a buy formation. Okay, I didn't mention gold. So for gold, okay, I told you that it's good that you took your profit earlier, and thank God for those of you who took your profit before the news. Okay, but anyway, this is still a sell trade. It's still a sell trade on gold this afternoon. It's still a sell trade on gold this afternoon. While okay, NZD-USD, this one obeyed the structure. It obeyed the structure. I believe some of us who took this setup must have taken profit on NZD-USD. It obeyed the structure. It got to this verified support and went up, got to this resistance and went down. It's a good one. The limit orders worked well with it. Okay. Then US index is still going to be a buy trade. Still going to be a buy trade. And then Euro USD has not moved at all. Why USD JPY? USD JPY is also obeying. It took profit on the what's it called? Sell stop that I gave us. Took profit on it. GBP USD. All right, GBP USD it triggered the buy. Now go on 1 hour time frame now. Okay, now go on 1 hour time frame. I gave us limit orders earlier before our time. So you might just, and I remember I said to us that it will push up again, but allow you to sell to this what's it called, support level, and then it will start buying. So the buy trade, you might want to just hold your buy. Market will still eventually go back up. Okay, market will eventually go back up. So everyone, so far, let me know. So far, let me see US 100 and 1 now. Okay. US 100 although it's uptrend, well, if you still do it, will do some sell. Although uptrend, it will still do some sell. Although uptrend, it will still sell well. Okay. Although uptrend, but it will still sell well. So, but if you have money, hold your trade, and then market will go back in your direction. Okay. Hold your trade and market will go back in your direction, but it will do some sell. Good one, good sales. All right. Before it goes back in profit. All right, everybody. Hey, so I've spoken for 1 hour like this. Wow. Okay, no wala. All right. Okay. So everybody, so the gist is just that just hold your trade, all right? Hold your trade. The US 100 will sell. It will sell, but it will go back in profit. Just hold your trade, and then we see it go back in our direction. Okay, thank you, everybody. It's beautiful having us again this afternoon. See you on Monday, a new week full of fresh fundamentals, our partners for that matter. Thank you, everybody, for joining in. Let's have a very wonderful afternoon.